Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Haley J here. For those of you who are new, girl, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead, don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, now that you are subscribed, welcome to the family, girl. So today's look is this cute, simple, glam gold eyeshadow, smoky, you know, outer corners, real cute, nude lip, just something, a everyday glam look, you know, something you can rock. You know, I'm going out on a little day, you know, I'm going to church, but I still want to look cute. You know, I'm just going to sit in the living room like you should be doing, just sitting in the living room. You shouldn't be out with all this going on in the world, but something real cute for anything, for any occasion. So if you like what you're seeing so far, go ahead and continue watching. Okay, y'all, let's get into it. First, put your concealer on your lid. Few shades lighter. I like to be a little extra. Few shades lighter so your colors will be more pigmented. Pat that in with any, really, you can use a beauty blender, but I don't have any right now, so I have to use a brush. Something real basic, right? Whatever eyeshadow you have, baby. I'm gonna go in with this bad boy. I hope y'all can see that. With this one, just a brown something, your crease. That's where you wanna put this. Pat, you know, where your eyes do that little motion right there, pat it in there. Pat it on in. Pat and swipe. Nothing fancy, something real quick. So that's your crease color, right? I don't know why I don't make the rules. It's just what you do. You go in with a darker brown, so I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna mix these two, right? Put it right here in the outer corner of your eye. Kind of just watch. I don't know how to say it, just watch. So do that, right? And then kind of brush it into your crease to deepen it. So boom, there you go. So what I like to do, because cutting creases all the time, we don't always have time for that. Take your concealer brush, dab it in the concealer. We gonna make a crease with the brush, right? Boom. We gonna pat it on our lid like so, right? Look up if you got to, because you know my crease a little funny acting, and just tap it. Tap it. Your brush already round, and just kind of form the crease. And it don't have to be perfect, because this is not the perfect just cut crease. This is, ooh, that ain't oops. See, no effort. No effort. Let the brush do all the work, and just pat it in. Pat it in like so. Leave that there. Let that dry. On to the next eye. So now, I haven't put anything on this brush. I'm just taking what's left over and kind of blending that crease in some more so it won't look so perfect. Just going back over that like so. Now, whatever shimmer or color you want to do that. Let's try her. She might be cute. Yeah, that go with the look better. Yeah, right? So that's not it. Go in there with this and just swapping that where I put the concealer. Who can't do eyeshadow? Who? Rub it all in, girl. And to blend these corners out, you're gonna go back in with those dark shades and just pat over it. You know? I might just a touch of black, just a touch. Yeah. Maybe I should not have done that, but now we have to roll with it. You gotta blend it in now, girl. This one. Y'all don't even need all these colors. I just do stuff. Like, literally, I just be doing stuff. This is where I will go in with my black liner, but we don't have any liner right now. But don't worry, the pack is in the mail. So, lashes, y'all. I haven't put on lashes in a long time. The glue that I use is this Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive by IMV. Cream, no, not the cold cream. It's the dry skin cream facial moisturizer. Get that in there, baby. Take your translucent powder. For me, I'm using my girl, Laura. You know what I'm saying? Right after that step, you're gonna go in with your primer, and that's the Master Prime by Maybelline. Then you're gonna set that, then you're gonna start on your face. Super Stay by Maybelline in Cappuccino. Infallible 24-hour full wear by L'Oreal, and I done put this on so many times, it's still another name. Copper, okay? Handy dandy fun, of course, of course. Now I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. We looking real dusty, but it's okay. Milani Blush Trio. Going with this one. You know we love a good blush. At least I do. My look is not complete unless my cheeks are rosy, and that's on period. Bottom lashes. These just my little finishing touches before the lips, but yes, y'all, these are my bottom lashes. No extensions, no none of that. It's just me. And then with this chocolate pencil, I got from Beauty Supply, cause go in with NYX Lip Lingerie and Push Up. Now I'm going in with my, I need some more of that. My Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and let me guess, I don't know, Sweet Tooth. And this stuff is like matte for real. Like, you need to hurry up and do this if you're gonna do it. That's it. Face is beat, baby. So now we just gotta do our hair. But I'm gonna go off camera, do my hair, and I'm gonna come back for the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a little message down below. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. Let me know what you like, how you feel. Just let me know in the comments, girl. Also, don't forget to share the video with your homegirls, with your cousins, with your aunties, because they need to know how to get beat. You know, they need to know. And since you're here, girl, go ahead and watch one of my previous videos. Go ahead. That one, whichever one. All of them. Whichever one you like. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.